All right, so you've got yourself a sweet stock club car golf cart, and you want to add some new wheels and tires, but you don't know what you can get. Well, come with us, we're going to show you how to do that. All right, let me show you something first though. If you've got yourself a stock club car golf cart, more than likely this is what you're looking at. So this is the standard golf cart wheel and tire that comes off most golf courses. All right, it's a Kenda wheel and tire. It's a great wheel and tire, but it's pretty bland. So hey, if you like doing what everyone else does and not standing out from the crowd, by all means, stick with it. But if you want something a little bit different, something a little special, I got something for you. Let's take a look. In our shop, we've been working on a club car Tempo, doing some things. We've got it all torn apart over here, but we're putting some new wheels and tires on there. And I want to show you what you can do. Again, this is stock. We haven't lifted this cart, so this is just normal as it is. Right now, we've got the 12-inch Tempest in gunmetal and machined aluminum with the 215 3512 Harrison Cruise tires on there. Sweet looking wheel and tire. So again, non-lifted, right? So this is just, we took those ones off right here and we put these ones on, didn't have to touch a thing, all right? And main thing we want to highlight for you is when you're looking at a stock club car, whether that's the DS, Precedent, Tempo, or Onward, the main thing you got to know is the overall height of the wheel and tire combo. So for club cars, you're looking at about 18 inches, 18 and a half inches. If you've got good leaf springs, you can probably do 18 and a half. Anything over that, you're gonna need a lift kit. So we want to show you too that you got a lot of options, right? You're not limited in what you can get. So if you look right here, we've got the same wheel or the same tire. This is an Harrison Cruise. This is with a 10-inch wheel though. So this is the 10-inch Vampire in red and black, the colorway. Sweet looking wheel. It's a colorway wheel, exclusive to us. So if you want to get something real nice, come check out our website. Again, want to show you that same overall height. You're looking at about 18 to 18 and a half inches. But if you take a look, difference in sidewall, you're going to get a little bit more sidewall with the 10-inch wheel and a little bit less with the 12-inch. The other thing is, a lot of times people don't think if I've got a non-lifted club car, well, then I can't get any off-road tires. I wanted something aggressive, but I'm going to have to get a lift kit. That's not the case. We have an 8-inch wheel, so this is just a normal looking wheel. But if you take a look, it's got some pretty aggressive tread. So this is the Sahara Classic. Again, when you compare the two and you take a look, you're looking at about the same overall height. You're looking at about 18 to 18 and a half inches. So again, this can go on any stock club car without getting a lift kit. Also, if you like that 10-inch wheel, you can mix and match those tire treads and those wheels as well. Again, 18 to 18 and a half inches, that's the number you got to know. And then you can put that on a club car and ready to rock and roll. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If you have questions, okay, put them in the comments below. That's how we know what we need to talk about. This is a new YouTube channel, we're just getting started. Put your questions in the comments below. If you see someone else's question that you're like, hey, I was thinking about that too, give it a like. That's how we know what we need to make next. We want to make these helpful and useful for you guys. So I'm sweating, which is pretty common. It's hot in this warehouse, so it's my cue to get out of here and get changed. So we'll see you guys next time at golfcartstuff.com.